guys! 5 Play-Doh surprises today to open. Let's start with this yellow surprise and guess who is inside. And inside is a Spongebob. Oh, look at him! I think he has a vacation time. Look at his fancy sunglasses and red costume. Oh wow, you're so stylish, Spongebob. You really have fun. Okay, Spongebob, let me now open another surprise and let me fix you too. Well, green surprise to open. Do you have any ideas? Yes? Oh, and inside is Mickey Mouse. Look at him. He has a new costume today. Oh, wow, Mickey. What are you going to do? Do you have any ideas of this costume? Well, let's now open this Play-Doh surprise, and inside is a pet shop character. Oh, look at these big eyes. And we can remove this little bottle and fix it here now again. Oh, these pet shop characters are so sweet. Well guys, we have 2 more surprises to open, and let's open this yellow Play-Doh surprise, and inside is a little pony, and this is a rainbow dash. You know, I love Rainbow Dash because I love her color of hair, and she's really sweet pony. Well, let me now open this big pink surprise, and inside is a princess. And this is a Rapunzel princess. Look at her, she's really beautiful. Look at her long hair and her crown. And she has such a beautiful dress. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.